another brand new construction by Classic Cottages here in Addison Heights in Arlington, Virginia, like a stone throw away from the Pentagon. So let's explore the house. So this house has a total of 4,000, almost 300 square feet. It has 9-foot ceilings, and the way you enter from the ground is in what would be the basement, but the basement is really above ground. So you enter here and you have your first room. And you have your first full bathroom. Again, very typical from Classic Cottages. The attention to detail and the selection of finishes is really nice. This would be a recreation room. And then here you have an exercise room. And that will be a mechanical room. We're gonna come back to the outside. This would be a mudroom, and then access to a really big 2-car garage. All right, let's go into the main level. All right, so here in the main level, you have the great room. Good. And here you have your screen porch and super decked out kitchen. Next to the kitchen, you have a butler's room with a wine fridge and this huge pantry. And then you have your dining room with another balcony, more access to the outside. And then this could be your office, your reading room. But and then this would be your half bathroom. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about living in the area. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell, because every week we post a new video. By the way, if you live in another state and you're relocating to Northern Virginia or anywhere inside of Northern Virginia, please make sure that you give us a call, send us a text message, send us a telegram, whatever is more convenient for you. If you have questions about the area, we have answers. This house was just released. So if you want to tour the house or any other house here in the neighborhood, please send me a text message with the word tour, and we'll be more than happy to accommodate your schedule. So let's go to the top floor. So here in the top floor, you are gonna have 3 full bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. Let's go to the secondary bedrooms first. This would be your laundry room, full space for washer and dryer. And then this room here has its own closet and its own ensuite bathroom. The second suite, or the second bedroom here in this level, it's kind of a junior suite because it does have a bathroom, but it's on the outside of the bedroom. And that's what we're gonna see right now. This will be the bathroom. And now we're gonna go to the owner's suite. This suite is pretty big. And if you go here and to the left, you have part of the walk-in closet. And then to the right, the other part of the walk-in closet. And then you have an awesome bathtub under the window, plenty of light. Then you have his and hers sink. And it's rather large shop rack. And this was kind of a surprise. There is another level. So let's go and visit. So this is a roof terrace. Wired. What? And we're not going to end the tour here. We're just going to have a quick view. But yeah. And then we're going to go to the backyard. We'll meet you there. So off of the kitchen, we are gonna go into the screened-in porch, and then from the screened-in porch, we can go to the backyard. So let's go and take a look. Yeah, let's look from here. So again, thank you very much for touring this gorgeous house with us. My name is Miguel, and this is your channel, Living in Arlington Today. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every week when we post a new video. Thank you very much and see you next week.